from Maryland Hall's ArtReach and Jóvenes Artistas. We are back again for another ArtReach challenge. So we are a very musical family over here. We have many instruments and we love to sing and play music. But some people don't have instruments in their house. And who doesn't love music? So this week our challenge is to create homemade instruments. People all over the world create some pretty awesome instruments with found objects and things lying around their house, even trash. We are being inspired by these different artisans and also just going back to our preschool days of creating shoebox guitars and Tupperware drums. So instead of beating pans and pots, we are going to show you a few different homemade instruments that we made and then let you see our homemade concert.
Making music with instruments, boxes, rubber bands. Making music with straws and glass. Using anything we can. Using anything we can. Using anything we can. Using anything we can.
Hopefully you had fun doing this ArtReach challenge, brought you back to your days as a child. If you're feeling inspired to, please record a video of yourself playing some of your instruments, homemade house concert, and post it on our Facebook page, hashtag ArtReach Challenge, hashtag homemade instruments. You can also email them to me at elbrito@marylandhall.org. Don't forget to share the things you do with those around you, because we know that
The more we share,
the more the arts have the power to heal, inspire, and empower. So until next week, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative.